Hello everyone, welcome to Jackie's Kitchen. My name is Jacqueline Njala. What we do here is we try to simplify even the most complex of recipes. If you're new here, kindly subscribe down below, like, comment and also share. So welcome once again. For this chicken curry, I'll use chicken breast, but you can use chicken on bones. It's all a matter of preference. So I'll cut this chicken breast into cubes of about 1 inch. Then we'll proceed. I have about 600 grams of chicken, so I'll marinate this with a teaspoonful of salt, a teaspoonful of garlic powder, half a teaspoonful of ginger, half a teaspoonful of white pepper, half a teaspoonful of turmeric, and finally 2 tablespoonfuls of curry. You can alternatively use 1 tablespoonful of curry for marination, then add the other spoon when you're frying. But I've decided to put all the curry that I'll use for the marination. And then finally oil, and mix this, then let it stay for about half an hour before you continue. Meanwhile, I chopped 1 large onion. I blended 3 tomatoes. This is just 1. I have 2 more in the blender. About 200 ml of coconut milk or cream. And the curry powder is optional depending on how much you used for the marination of the chicken. And finally, garlic and ginger paste. Just when the onion starts to brown, we'll add in our chicken, and since we're not going to add any water, the onion will still continue to brown. So we don't add any water, we cover and let it cook for some time. This is to just make sure that the curry flavor goes into the chicken. This step is very important because it helps our chicken not become soggy. As it cooks with no water, it cooks just in the oil that we added, it becomes somehow crispy and not soggy. So this is important. Some choose to skip this stage by first deep frying the chicken, but I think the chicken comes out with too much oil, which I don't like for my curry. We'll let this simmer in low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that's the time we'll now add our coconut milk or coconut cream, and then again allow it to simmer further and thicken. I hope you liked this recipe. Please subscribe and remember to click on the notification button. See you in the next video.